All right, so we got Aaron Gunn. Let's see if he does that front 3 on to nose press. Front side 3 to front side 180 off. Just coming off just a little bit early, but not too early. So it's all right. Let's see if he can get the full pull this time. 50-50. Backside nose on that 450, landing it super good. That is a major, major upside compared to his first run where he fell off early. I'm really happy to see him get a full pull on that one on the way down. Onto the wall, 50-50, front side 360. Let's see if he can do the 900 like he did in the first round, maybe getting him to the second place position, currently in third. Mute, hillside, 900, landing it clean. Oh,
Very clean
man.
On that 900. Gunn is currently in third place. He's going to be looking for that top spot.
Whoa.
Wow.
Backside 3, frontside 540. I have never seen that done in a competition.
Wow, and in typical then FISE Montpellier fashion, we may have just seen a world's first done in contest here.
Yes, and I wonder if he's gonna stick the rest of his run, if he can get into first or second place. Backside 540. Oh man, this is gonna be it. If he can finish the wall right hits, he would have had a run of his life at FISE with coming in hillside, 180. Yeah, sticking it super clean. Aaron Gunn from Australia, he's happy with that one.